Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by connecting the Peace Equalizer loud mic to your audio chain. Use XLR or 3.5 cable and verify a secure physical connection. Power Phantom if your mic requires 48 volts and confirm the indicator lights. Set the preamp gain low initially and slowly raise it while speaking. Watch your meters and aim for peaks near -12 dBFS to keep headroom. Engage any built-in pad at -18 dB when the source is very loud. Avoid digital clipping by keeping levels below 0 dBFS. Begin EQ by addressing low-frequency energy below 100 Hz to remove rumble. Use a low cut or reduce around 80 Hz with up to 12 dB maximum adjustments. Next, focus on mids near 1000 to 3000 Hz to bring forward intelligibility. Narrow the cue for surgical cuts and widen it for natural tonal shaping. For air and clarity, apply a high shelf between 8 and 10,000 Hz. Add 2 to 6 dB gently, and listen for sibilance and harshness afterward. Set dynamics to control loud transients and smooth overall level and presence. Start with a compressor at 4:1 ratio and set threshold near -6 dB. Use an attack time around 10 milliseconds to keep transients and a release near 200 milliseconds for natural recovery. Place a limiter after compression to prevent peaks from exceeding 0 dBFS and target final peaks near -3 dBFS. Finally, listen in context with music or program and adjust until dialogue averages around -12 dBFS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.